Panibagong araw at panibagong video na naman from Inday Joanna. So, for today's video nga pala ay ito yung sitwasyon ng aming bahay ngayon. So, ayan Zay, dahan-dahan na kami nag-renovate dito sa bahay before magbabakasyon sa Pinas. At maaga nga ang aming karpintero today, Zay, 7 AM pa lang. Yung inuuna pala ni Dodong Franco itong hallway namin dito sa bahay na kailangan ng repaint. Para daw maganda yung pagkapintura, kailangan mo nang i-plaster itong mga wall. Ito nga at naabutan ko ang aking mag-ama Zay na nagwalis dito sa garden. Yung garden namin na walang katapusan yung sagbot, Zay. Kung nakita niyo yung last vlog ko, diba, nagwalis-walis din ako dito. O, ayan, tingnan nyo, sagbot na po. Anyways, tingnan nyo naman yung outfit ni Ella Bell. Napaka-cute naman dyan. At talagang binalot talaga siya ng kanyang daddy Dodong. Nahala, good job ka dyan, daddy Dong Franco. So, finally, dumating na ang aking isa sa aking mga kaligayahan, Zay. Sabay-sabay natin i-unbox. Okay. So, Zay, as you can see, tingnan niyo naman to aking binili. Nag-invest na ako ng mga cookware namin dito. Kasi nga, napaparanoid ako sa mga nababasa ko sa online na dapat yung mga gagamitin cookware is yung mga non-toxic na mga cookware, Zay, no? So, yung dalawang klase yung binili ko, yung stainless and then cast iron. Ayan. Hala. Taklo pa lang, guys. Super bigat na. Diyos me, ang bigat, Zay. Yun yung itsura niya. Tapos ito yung... Oh my God, paano ako magluluto ng ganito kabigat? Yung cookware. So, ayan. Parang nakakatakot siya gamitin. Ewan ko ba kung matutuwa ako dito, Zay, na ambot na lang. Yung nag-invest na nga ako na magandang cookware, pero parang ang bigat naman ito, Zay. So, ito nga pala yung sinasabi nilang magandang investment kasi cast iron daw. Nahala, sige, lava.
Guys, so some of the work has been completed now. We've got the walls replastered, but they're still not finished because we need to move these pipes, which are feeding the radiators.
Just the radiator, no?
Yeah, this is feeding the radiator upstairs. So the plan is we're either going to dig these pipes into the wall and then replaster over them, or we're going to put a radiator here. Yeah, so
as you can see, if nakikita niyo sa ibang vlog namin,
we had to move the child lock here as well.
So, bricks po yan dyan, kung napapansin
Oh,
nyo
yes,
sa ibang vlog namin. So, ayan na plaster na siya. So, hamis na siya sa naon, Zoy.
Yeah, and the radiator was here before, which has been removed. So we need to replaster over this as well.
So, is the guys coming tomorrow still?
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
No, that's it.
And then, also here, so nakikita nyo.
Yeah. So the next part is we have to decide what to do with that. Because once we finish putting those pipes into the wall, he's going to plaster over it again. And we may need to rip the floor out as well. There's still more work to be done.
Alright, we're just gonna end this vlog. Thank you for watching. What do you say? Bye, be kind. Be kind.